Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a scanner or printer error code 15 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If your scanner or printer not working properly and having error code 15, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type services.msc. This command will open, click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Services windows will now open. Here under available services, look for Windows image services. Scroll down and here you will find Windows images services. Look for Windows images services. Scroll down and you will find Windows image acquisition WIA. Right click on it and first start this services. If you already found it in a start mode, then restart Windows image acquisition services. In my case, we will choose start. After that, apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to a startup type section and set a startup type as automatic. And finally, click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your scanner error code 15 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here under available drivers list, go to print queue section, expand it and right click on your scanner which having you are facing error code 15. Right click on it and choose update driver. Here, how do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Click on it and let the window complete the updating process of your scanner driver. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, clean boot your system. Right click on the start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type msconfig, msconfiz. Click on OK. It will open system configuration windows in your system. Here from the top menu bar, go to services. And here make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner. And thereafter click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and here click on link open task manager. Task manager startup apps will appear. Here manually go ahead and select startup apps enabled in your system. If you found any startup apps enabled in your system, manually disable it. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your startup apps in your system. Thereafter close the task manager window and click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, don't forget to restart your system. Your scanner error code 15 definitely be resolved. That's all.